How do MikkoMMM's and KimmoKM's powers work? To answer this, we have to first understand what MikkoMMM and KimmoKM are. A short explanation is that they are both but who are basically manifestations of the laws of physics. Most of the but exist outside the physical substance, in the so-called spiritual substance. But if they decide to leave it and come to the physical substance, they'll get more control over their powers. MikkoMMM and KimmoKM are some of these but. KimmoKM is the embodiment of dark energy. Its body would be just a gigantic black hole, but because of MikkoMMM's influence over the scale of space that he's constantly using on KimmoKM's immediate surroundings, KimmoKM also has the sweaty aura and the smelly aura. The sweaty aura is composed of quark gluon plasma and it's opaque. The smelly aura, on the other hand, gives KimmoKM its characteristic yellow color and is composed of matter of extremely high atomic numbers. This matter can only be kept intact through the intense forces affecting it, and the slightest disturbance will make it explode with enough energy to escape KimmoKM's gravitational pull, and because some of the products of the reactions are ionized, it's gathered as a nearly infinite energy source by MikkoMMM's fleet of vacuuming vessels on an elliptic orbit around KimmoKM that trap it into a magnetic bottle and transport it to a reactor chamber, usually near the orbit's apoapsis, to reduce the amount of delta V required for safe transportation. KimmoKM has the power to accelerate the escaping matter while changing its trajectory toward it, but this is quite slow and it's not limited to the speed of light, resulting in such phenomena as only a part of the universe being visible. Another power of its is the manipulation of its event horizon, allowing it to use attacks such as the belly hit and the belly whirlwind. These attacks use exponentially more power the closer to the speed of light in speed they are. KimmoKM's power is regenerative and its maximum amount is relative to its size. MikkoMMM is the embodiment of the heat death of the universe. It has the power to manipulate the scale of the space and mostly uses it against KimmoKM and to move the Devastator and its fleet faster than the speed of light using the principle of the Alcubierre drive. This power is not accurate to control, so it's only useful for targets whose position is easily predictable. In a battle it's rarely used, because it drains MikkoMMM's power fast, and it's actually not that powerful in that kind of a time frame, and it's potentially dangerous for allies if targeting a large area, and if targeting a small area, it's difficult to target a dodging target with it. MikkoMMM's source of power is how little the matter of the universe is concentrated, so if KimmoKM were to be defeated, MikkoMMM's power would be through the roof. Both MikkoMMM and KimmoKM of course have secondary powers, not related to what they are the embodiment of, but this is not the video for explaining about those. So you might be wondering, what is the cosmic microwave background radiation then? It's the blackbody radiation of the smell aura of KimmoKM, and fluctuations in it are caused by MikkoMMM's ongoing war against KimmoKM. But let's end this video by saying that the universe is a swirling torrent of pain and suffering brought to you by the evil KimmoKM. Fight against it, you fools!